are Dillingham in Bratislava, Slovakia. Let me show you some of my favorite things to do in this beautiful town right along the Danube River. Bratislava is still partially surrounded by the tall walls which once kept invaders out. Today the city's far more welcoming to visitors, with a historic city center lined with shops and outdoor cafes. A focal point is Michael's Tower. It's been standing here in various forms for 700 years. It was originally the town gate where lookouts stood watch for fires and other dangers. The bell on display at the top of the tower was left damaged when Bratislava was liberated toward the end of World War II. The view from the top shows a mix of historic beauty and Soviet-era construction, including a UFO attraction on the edge of the bridge over the Danube River, something that was controversial when it first went up and remains controversial today. It doesn't quite fit with the main draw here, Bratislava Castle, which was only recently restored and reopened. Large portions of the castle collapsed during the World War II era. Today it really feels like a palace inside, with lush red carpet lining the corridors and gold leaf highlighting the moldings. A new staircase leads you 120 steps up to the top of one of the towers. You'll get a view of the grounds and gardens below, which are always free and open to the public to explore. Several floors below ground, they've also opened an area where you can walk through the original foundation of the castle. Back up on the street level, we find Bratislava's most unexpected attraction, a bronze statue of a worker coming out of the sewer called Man at Work. People from all over come here to rub his head for good luck. Bratislava is an easy day trip from Vienna. A ferry system called the Twin City Liner will make the trip between the cities in 75 minutes. A train's also a good option. Another choice is to include Bratislava on a visit to Budapest, Hungary, which is about 3 hours farther down the Danube River. And it's so easy to get here if you're in Vienna or Budapest. Definitely worth taking a day trip to Bratislava. I'll see you next time.